लड़की हो लड़की की तरह रहो। ज्यादा पंख निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है। और ये कैसे कपड़े पहन लेती हो? कोई लड़का दिखेगा तो क्या सोचेगा? तुमसे अच्छा तो मेरा बेटा है। काश लड़की की जगह लड़का पैदा होता। अरे लड़की बेचारी, ये देखो रात में पता नहीं कहाँ से आ रही होगी। इतनी देर देर तक बाहर रहती है। सुना है कि आजकल अकेले भी रहने लगी है। क्या पता शायद घर पे लड़के भी आते होंगे। प्यार, तुम मुझसे प्यार करती हो। पक्का इसका इसमें कुछ ना कुछ फायदा होगा। तो भाई हाउसवाइफ चाहिए। काम करने वाली लड़की तो नहीं चलती है ना हमारे यहाँ। तो आप अपने हस्बैंड को खाना बना के कब देंगी और खुद का काम कब करेंगी? तो हमें तो भाई ऐसी लड़की नहीं पसंद है। सेल्फिश, ये देखो, अपने बारे में सिर्फ सोचती है, दूसरे के बारे में तो सोचती ही नहीं है। अपनी इज्जत की परवाह होती तो थोड़ी उस लड़की के साथ जाती। इस लड़की ने मुझे पहले किस किया। पक्का इसके कैरेक्टर में कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ होगा, वरना ये पहले किस क्यों की? पता नहीं वर्जिन होगी भी कि नहीं। आजकल की लड़कियां शायद ही कोई वर्जिन मिलेगी। अरे भाई इतनी शरीफ थोड़ी है। दिखने में अच्छी है, क्या ही पता किसको किसको यूज करती फिरती होगी। प्यार व्यार इससे होगा? ये ऐसी लड़कियां प्यार करेंगी? अपनी खुशी के बारे में कैसे सोच सकती हो तुम? झुक के रहो। लड़कों के साथ अगर रहना है, किसी से शादी करना है, घर बसाना है, तो झुक के रहो, उसके लिए सब कुछ करो। ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है किसी को अपना बोलोगी, अपना करना चाहोगी और हस्बैंड तुम्हारा थोड़ी खुश हो जाएगा। काम करते ही रिश्ता ही खत्म करते हैं। शादी करने की जरूरत ही क्या है? वैसे भी अगर कमा रही हो तो पैसे तो तुम्हें अपने घर पे
अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैसaholic एंड टू अनदर वीडियो ऑफ माइन। और आज का वीडियो विल बी समथिंग डिफरेंट, जो मैं बहुत बहुत सालों से शेयर करना चाह रही थी, बट यस, आई थॉट इस मोमेंट में है तो ये वीडियो मैं शायद बना पाऊँ। इट्स बेसिकली अबाउट एंग्जाइटी एंड डिप्रेशन। तो यस, आज इस बारे में बात करेंगे। अब आप लोग बोलोगे कि इस चैनल पर रिएक्शन वीडियोस बनता है और व्लॉग्स एंड ऑल बनता है, तो अब ये क्या है? सो भाई, चैनल का नाम मैसaholic है, तो ऑब्वियसली कंटेंट are not sorted out. I mean, it's a mess. This channel is itself, नाम में ही mess है, तो can't help it. Maximum young people are suffering from anxiety and depression, and it's becoming a cliche nowadays, because every now and then someone is suffering and going through something. So yes, I mean, I have been experiencing this from the past 9 years, and अब जाके मुझे थोड़ा हिम्मत आया है कि I can go for actual help, because I have a lot of good friends, touch wood, but yes, I am someone who is very bad in expressing her feelings, or in telling someone what I actually want or what I actually feel. But in turn I do something frustrating, or do something, try to show something indirectly so that the person can understand कि हाँ इसको ये चाहिए. I mean, she mean to say this. So that's the issue, and the main reason for the anxiety and depression, for my anxiety and depression, I would say, is lack of love. It can be something else for the other person. It can be due to not getting accepted in the society, due to peer pressure, or due to stress of career or something, or due to heartbreak, or shattered life, and something tragic has happened, or stuff like that. So like, I used to think that अरे ये तो खुद से संभाल सकते हैं. I mean, why should I go to a psychiatrist, or someone who is specialized, or someone who can actually help you out? So I used to be very much conscious about it. Finally, I got in touch with a friend, and she suggested me someone. So yes, after a tough battle between me, my mind and my heart, I decided that I should go. I mean, I should go for help, and I should talk about it. Obviously, it's not easy. I can talk about anything and can blabber almost on any topic, but when it comes to my feeling, it is something which like I'm unable to express. In this video, I'm making especially for people who who is suffering from all these things, and I know that many of us are going through all these shits right now. So I wish I would have gone for the treatment earlier. I'd like to tell you what anxiety feels like and what depression is all about. So you find it very difficult to continue your daily activities, to carry on with your daily activities, and you feel as if you can watch the ceiling for hours and hours, and you don't want to get up, and you don't want to get out from your bed, and you don't want to carry on with your day-to-day activities, and you face difficulty in performing your day-to-day activities, like you are having trouble in taking your bath, cooking, cleaning the house, and it's like it's everything becomes tough at the moment, and that's what anxiety and depression feels like. And you can sleep, you can oversleep, or you cannot get any sleep for a number of days, and you find it very difficult to get a proper sleep. And it's so it's like your mind is always busy worrying and like overthinking stuff that someone once told you, or someone made you feel bad, and someone told you something gross, and you cannot just overcome all those statements, and it feels like shit. I mean, it feels like as if someone is stabbing you with a knife or something like that. You also feel suicidal at times, and you feel like as if harming yourself will be a solution to your problem, and you feel good after harming yourself, and you feel good taking drugs, and getting pills, and cutting hands, and stuff like that. So people who go through depression, anxiety, or stress, many a times we don't see those glimpses on the face, because people with depression stay very normal, and people who are in more pain laugh a lot. So it's very difficult to identify who is going through what. So yes, it's tough to identify from the crowd who is actually going through it. And there are situations in life, and there are some painful or tragic incident that happens in our life which leave a scar, and which leave a mark so deep that we cannot just overcome it. So that situation also shapes the depression process, and we are like stuck and are not able to do anything. And some days we want to do each and everything that's possible, and some day we find ourselves like left out alone and don't want to do anything. And like laziness is also a sign of depression. It can be one of the signs of depression, because people who like बस ऐसे ही पड़े हैं घर पे बिस्तर पे, like people who are more sad, and people who are going through sadness, they become very lazy, and they don't want to do anything, and they just want to lie down and sleep, or like they just want to be like that. So yeah, that's also another thing. So, it's difficult to shoot this video at the moment, because it's high time of me going through certain stuff. So like I've gathered a lot of courage, and in making this video and speaking my mind out. And so today's experience was a bit shocking for me, because I never expected it. I will go to someone for help, and yeah, I mean, here I am. And I'll suggest, if any of you guys, if any one of you are going through certain thing, it's better you get help at an earlier stage, rather than making the situation worse and keeping yourself more stressed out and more tensed, because depression is something which can be fatal, and it hurt very badly, and you cannot just tell someone what is actually happening, and nobody can feel you but only you and yourself, and you're just lying there, right, with your demon, and like lost, and you don't know what to do next, and you are in pain. Someday you are crying and like tearing your heart out, and someday you are just there numb, feeling dumb, then there are no tears in your eyes, and like so yeah, I mean, मैंने हथियार डाल दिया है भाई, because right now the situation in my reality is going bad. I mean, way too bad. So I had no other option but to get help and have those anxiety pills. And yes, I mean, this is for a short time, maybe, I don't know, but yeah, I mean, it's been only one visit of mine. I would hope that things go well, and I would suggest all of you guys who are suffering through anxiety or depression or stress or any kind of worriness which you think is controlling your mind, and which you think is losing your concentration or focus, and which is burdening you or pressurizing you, or you're unable to do your day-to-day work or study or lead your life normally, please get some help as soon as possible, and this thing can get worse day by day if you don't get this fixed. So yeah, this is quite a strange video, and